Uteti wigie kurekererio gwa kigina gia CDF uronekana ta ukugagaia mirutire ya wira nginyagia mbunge-ini ya bururi. Ambunge makionekana kwaga kuiganira ni mbeca ici gukorwo citarekereirio. Na riu mutongoria wa aria anini mbunge-ini ya bururi Opiyo Wandayi ni aheanite mukaana ati ambunge maya kwaga gwikuruhania na mihang'o ya akiuria angikorwo kigina giki gitikurekererio na ihenya uria gubatie.
I will be moving members of the house to refrain from any talk of recess, firstly, and secondly, to refrain from any engagement on any business. Not until and unless NG-CDF funds are disbursed.
Ndereti ino nionekanite kurehe hamwe miario yeri ya kiuteti mbunge-ini. Mutongoria wa aria aingi Kimani Ichung'wa aking'ethera thirikari akiuga ati gutire na gitumio giothe gia kwaga kurekereria mbeca ici cigatungatire muingi.
Nobody in the executive should imagine that you are doing any member of parliament any favor by disbursing CDF. CDF funds are funds that are going directly to the people.
Previously, we are made to believe that it was the previous or the former cabinet secretary who was adamant. But since this house approved the appointment of the substantive cabinet secretary, that's Professor Ndungu.
Mbunge ya bururi irorete guthie rutha ruraihu ruria rugathira gatagati-ini ka mweri wa keri mwaka ukite, na uguo gukorwo kigina giki kirio ministry-ini ya kigina gikiamburura urugari.
If this house adjourns for recess without a clear indication as to when disbursements of NG-CDF will be made, we stand the risk of staying all the way up to the last quarter of this financial year.
Our people are waiting for us not to go on recess. They are waiting for us to go home to process their bursaries for term 1 school fees in January.
Ndugamano ya kigina giki yumanite na itua ria igoti itugiru riria rierekereirio mweri-ini wa kanana mwaka uyu, na kuria igoti riaugire ati kigina gia CDF kiombirwo mugaru na watho na gukoretwo na ngucanio ya kana kigina giki ni gibatie ni gucokio kana ca.
Would have been ordered to ask you, Mr. Speaker, that this matter be directed to the leader of majority, that he engages with the executive and in particular the cabinet secretary responsible for national treasury.
I will engage with the cabinet secretary so that before we even consider breaking for recess, we have both NG-CDF and GAF.
Majority leader, I will give you an opportunity, perhaps together with the chair of budget and finance, to engage the cabinet secretary for treasury, and I'll give you an opportunity on Tuesday afternoon to make a formal statement.
Na hari igeria ria kugeria njira cia gucokia kigina giki moko-ini ma ambunge, mubunge wa Gicũgũ Robert Gĩcimũ na mũrunawe wa Matungulu Stephen Mule ni mambĩrĩirie mũtaratara wa kugeria gucenjia icunjĩ imwe cia gatiba nĩguo gukuruhania kigina gia CDF, no nginya riria mogaruruku maya marikinyanirio kuronekana ndeto ino ta ikomba muthingi munene wa uteti uria ugucoka kurumirira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Ichung'wa.